Welcome, and this is a quick tutorial guide on how to create the uh, sales pitch uh, sales pitch slide presentation. I'll be going through basically how to do and use all the steps needed to complete this assignment. Starting off, we will use Night Cafe, which is a AI generating picture machine. This will allow us to type in the point of interest that will be going on a trip, and it'll be able to generate a picture. Or if we just want basically a sample thing of it saying something basically of like Sweden and culture, it'll just give us a generic picture for us to be able to implement in the slides. After that, we have a work breakdown right here. This will be the idea items that we'll be going to, and that will be at the end of the slide for the viewer to look at. And for the PowerPoint, we'll be using Canva, which will allow us to both drop the pictures in, the work breakdown structure, and be able to upload audio files onto here, so that when you are looking and setting up the presentation, that'll play music in the background as well. So basically, just to run through a quick example, the Northern Lights. So we'll type in Sweden Northern Lights as an example. Okay, hit create. Connect with Google. That's fine. Yes. Continue. Create. And basically, hit create. Basically, you'll copy one of the images. We'll just take this one for now. Copy image. And then you'll bring it over to the PowerPoint. You'll paste it onto there. Extend it out, make it look all pretty and nice. This will then basically allow you to do that. Then you'll scroll over to here onto the audio section, and you can look up happy songs, cheerful songs. They have free songs on here for you to download and I'll play throughout the PowerPoint. And then at the end, you'll just come and drop in that work breakdown structure with the 5 W's and H, explaining basically why you should go on this presentation and go on this trip, and broaden your horizons for your academic and future career. I hope this was helpful, and this gave a good explanation of how our team will be handling the task.